Assalamu alaikum and hello. I am Mohammed Al-Shehi, the Director of Project Control at Etihad Rail Company. Currently we are in United States at Borougras Rail Factory, where they are manufacturing Stage 2 locomotives, which will be run on UAE National Railway Network. The locomotives designed to operate in GCC specification and environments, such as high temperature and high humidity and the heights of the mountains. Each locomotive has 4,500 horsepower, which can pull 60 wagons with maximum weight of 6,000 metric tonnage with maximum speed of 120 km per hour.
Assalamu alaikum. Etihad Rail is a valued customer of Progress Rail. We appreciate this relationship that's built on mutual trust and cooperation that started in 2010 with Phase 1. We will always be a reliable partner for Etihad Rail, a partner that is committed to help the UAE build a world-class railway sector.
The SD70 ACS locomotive is equipped with independent and ECP braking systems. It has dual screens to monitor tractive effort and also train speed. It also allows setup of the tower control system and distributed power. ETCS Level 2 ensures safety and constantly monitors the train speed and position. It also improves network capacity. The locomotive is fitted with enhanced sand sealing and a pulse filtration system for desert operation. It's a proven heavy haul locomotive that will ensure reliability for the Etihad Rail network.
The locomotive cab design is brought up to the latest crashworthiness and fire safety standards. The cab here that we're looking at is fitted with the AAR control stand, or the Association of American Railroad Standards control stands. It provides easy access to controls from an operations perspective. The cab's also fitted with the latest in-cab signaling system, ETCS Level 2. There are significant improvements compared to Stage 1 to Stage 2 from a cab perspective, the main one being it has dual HVAC systems, which improves the cooling comfort during hot temperatures. The cab itself is also brought up to its latest crashworthiness and fire standards, providing a robust cab design.
Progress Rail was a part of the Stage 1 project where we introduced Etihad Rail's first freight locomotives, and at the time what was nothing more than sand dunes has turned into a very well-run, well-maintained freight rail operation. And now to be part of Stage 2, to deliver new locomotives with new technologies, support and services to allow Etihad Rail to grow, as well as the United Arab Emirates to grow as a country, has been a very positive experience. We've built off the success of the Stage 1 locomotives and actually added new technologies and features, things like improved driver comfort with cooling and climate control, improved traction systems, remote diagnostics capabilities with the Progress Rail Uptime Suite. All of that will allow Etihad Rail to continue and grow their freight hauling capabilities. It's been a cooperative effort between sales, engineering, manufacturing, project management, all working together within Progress Rail and also with their counterparts at Etihad Rail. And it's that partnership and cooperation that's allowed us to resolve project issues, overcome difficulties that arise during any project, but we work cooperatively and we've been successful in keeping the project moving. And to be here as the first locomotive finishes production and gets ready to ship to the United Arab Emirates has been a great experience and a nice culmination of a lot of hard work by a lot of good people on both teams. We remain committed to being a partner to Etihad and delivering these Stage 2 locomotives, give them a high reliable, high performing product that will allow them to continue to build their freight hauling capabilities and for us to continue to build our partnership for years to come.
It is a story of a partnership that started 10 years ago with the delivery of the fleet of Stage 1. It is the story of a continued cooperation that led to the completion of the design of the fleet for Stage 2. It is the story of a continued partnership that led to the completion of the manufacturing of locomotive number 1 that is going to be shipped to the UAE on time to celebrate the 50th birthday of the nation.
We are committed to our business cooperation to continue to grow and evolve in the future. On behalf of the leadership team, we thank you for being here and we congratulate the UAE on their 50th anniversary and wishing you a prosperous future.
Thanks God that the first locomotives has been assembled and completed and ready to be shipped to UAE.